Hey, what's going on, Boys and Girls Club? Coach Mohar back with another Triple Play Soul video. This is a part 2 to my previous video of how to make a movie. Today I'm going to be teaching you several new things that you can use to make your movie even better. So starting off, it's best to always plan out whatever you want to do. Don't just try and improv it, don't do it on the spot. But try and plan ahead so that you know what you want to say, you know how you want the story to go, and you know exactly what you want to happen. So what I use is a website called Google Docs. You can make a lot of scripts on Google Docs. All you have to do is have a Google account. Of course, there's plenty of different script websites. This is just the one I use because I find it to be the most easiest, and you can see I have plenty of movie scripts here already. So jumping into it, once you start your own Google Doc, the very first thing you should do is probably title it. I have my title here so that I know what it means. You can probably have the title of your movie for the most simplicity. And then jumping into the script, I like having my extra stuff at the beginning or end. On this one specifically, I have all my extras at the beginning before I get into the script, as you can see down here. Some overall basic stuffs. The general basic professional screenwriting font that the industry uses in Hollywood is Courier New 14. Beyond that, when writing character dialogue, you want to have the character in bold, or at least this is how I do it for the simplest, most easy format, followed by a colon, a space, and then the line that they say, and do that for every character. And then you want to have a space in between every action. So you have dialogue, and then you have action. And the action, you want to have this I, this italic. And finally, for location, you want to have that in bold and separated as well. One final note I would say is to color code your characters. This can make it really easy to distinguish between different characters when just overall viewing your script from top to down, just overall skimming it really quickly. And your actors will be able to tell what character they are in the moment. Now next, let's move on to aspect ratios. A very common aspect ratio is 4:3. Another one is 16:9. For the movies, I like to use 16:9. Aspect ratios look like this. They can also look like this. And finally, frames per second, or FPS. So as you shoot video, you're actually taking individual photos very quickly. So typically you're taking 60 photos every single second that you're taking a video. But for a movie, it can be reduced down to 30 or even 24 frames per second as they use in Hollywood. So just experiment with it and see which frames per second you think looks best for your movie. And then finally, to make a poster, what I like to use is a free website called PicMonkey. So PicMonkey is pretty much one of the easiest alternatives to Photoshops that you can use. It's a free website. You don't even have to download anything. Just go to PicMonkey.com. You can use the new or old version. You don't even need an account if you're using the older version, and it's even simpler. Alright, and this is what my final design came out to be. Star Exploders! So you can see I did a lot with the text. I added a border around. Obviously the background was pretty good. I added some stars to make it look even prettier. You got these two little aliens, which I'm going to make the main characters. So now if you want to save it, make sure you have this clear, nothing on top of it, such as your mouse. So move your mouse off to the side. Hit on your keyboard, look down. On the top row towards the right, there should be a PRTSCRSYSRQ button. That's all one button. It's a print screen. So what you do is you press that button, and then you can open Microsoft Paint. This is just how I do it. And then what you can do is you can crop it. And then from there, all you have to do is save it. Alright, well I hope this tutorial was very helpful for you. If you have any other suggestions for how to make a movie, let me know and I'll make a video on it. Other than that, have a great day, and I hope to see your movie posters very soon. Bye bye.